And that was around the hype on AI and being fooled, in my view, by
Yep.
people who get hold of the latest toy in the name of AI, and suddenly they are branding themselves as AI experts and misguiding, I would say, in a gentle way, the wider, um, I would say, society. My concerns as a data expert, someone who's worked in data for 15 odd years, is we're putting ourselves in a really dangerous space where even when we talk about, the errors or the ethical flaws we have in our society, it's all being put into that AI solution because there's no real governance, there's no real accountability. It's just someone who really doesn't know the data claiming to be an AI expert and giving people access to tools that has not been really built on a good foundation. What's your take on it?
Yeah, I think one of the challenges that we face is lots of people don't understand the difference between IT and computer science. They're actually two very, very different disciplines. So if I explain, IT is the usage and maintenance of computing systems. Computer science is the design and creation of computing systems. And that's created a fundamental problem in our industry, which is we're getting IT people to build computer systems, when really we should be getting computer scientists to
Yeah,
build computer systems. And that's become even worse in the AI space because we've now got people who don't come through the fundamental computer science route with the relevant experience and understanding of how you build systems effectively. We're using either non-computer scientists altogether, or we're using IT people to try and bridge that gap. Because there is a skills challenge, and when I was a chapter ambassador, an inaugural chapter ambassador for the AI Summit London 2015, and when I was asked why I wanted to become one, I said, well, I think the people who've worked in the AI and data space for a long time have a responsibility to help
yes,
grow the skills that are in the space, but in the right way. So instead of people rushing into this incredibly large and complex discipline, we need people providing mentorship and guidance to make
yes,
sure they're bringing the right skills and have the right understanding of how to do it. And I think that's the problem is everybody, I speak to so many AI experts now, and trying to find true AI experts, unless you are one, is really complicated. So if you're a
yes,
leader in an organization and you're engaging with what you think is an AI expert, unless you know the questions to ask them and whether or not they're giving you the right answers, you're going to really struggle to attract the right talent into your organization. And we then have retention problems because if we get leaders who come in who don't fundamentally understand the space, they're going to recruit more people who don't understand the space, which creates problems. And it is a discipline that's existed for a long period of time. So it's a case of not saying, oh, well done, you're now my AI expert, go away and read a book. It's about having that fundamental foundation that gets you
exactly.
to the point where not only do you understand the technology, you understand how to use it effectively, how to bring it into your organization, and make sure that you're doing that in an ethical, sustainable, repeatable, maintainable, and supportable way.